Okay, so this is a short video to show you how you can add a file to answer a written response in an online quiz, practice, or test. So this question says, in question 1, you graph the solution set x is less than -4 or x is greater than or equal to 2. Explain how you graph this solution. Well, first of all, you can type in the box, okay? Okay, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. So you can actually type in that box. However, if you want to, if it's longer or you want to work on it with Word and for whatever reason, you can attach the file. You can also attach a picture using the picture icon, but I'm going to show you how you would add it as a file. So it won't show up in the box. It will just be a file that's attached to this question that your teacher can view to be able to grade the written response. And so what you'll do is you'll hit Add File. Again, it should be saved on your computer, so you have to know where it's saved and the name of the file. I'm going to hit Upload. Okay, I already have a Word document out here. Again, you could also, take a picture of your written response and attach a picture as a file. But I'm going to click on this Word document. It says practice question number 2 and hit Open. You'll see the name of the document that you're attaching and you'll hit Add. And the document is listed right down here. So this document is attached to question number 2, and your teacher can open that document to view it in order to grade this written response. Then you'll finish the rest of your quiz and you'll hit Submit.